Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, 2014. The market opened up this morning here at 1976.75, represented by this white dotted line. We generally don't trade the first 15 minutes of the day. As we continued on into the first news report at around 10 o'clock, we had consumer confidence come out. It was better than expected. Generally, we're seeing with positive news, the market tends to sell off. In this case, had a nice little opportunity to push in. Didn't have enough confidence to hold on any longer. Got a total of 6 ticks to the long side right there at about 10:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then as price action worked its way through the moving average, nice little pullback for a total of 8 ticks. Did not hold on to this any longer, but there was a good sell-off that continued right down to several target points on a hook pattern on our anchor chart. As we continue on into the day, we had some potential target areas just shy of hitting our target area for a retracement, going into the lunchtime trading zone. Coming out of lunchtime trading zone, market ran a little bit sideways, and then we had our 2 o'clock potential sell-off time frame, and we had another opportunity for selling pressure to the downside. You can see the momentum here was kicking in a couple different selling opportunities. I was not in this trade. I was in a hook pattern trade later on in the afternoon. You'll see that come up here shortly at around 3:18. And the market, while this does look like it's in a gradual downtrend, was relatively choppy. The president had come out and started talking about conflict over in the Ukraine, and with that, the market sold off pretty heavy. Let's go ahead and go to a higher time frame chart. Okay, so let's look at a higher time frame chart. We looked at the sell-off on the lower time frame chart at around 11 o'clock. I want you to see how price action was really balancing between these shark bands. We had our opportunity to get target 1. And target 2 did not quite get hit. We had target 2 right down in the middle of this shark band. Our internal indicator had got us out a little bit earlier, so 4 ticks, 5 ticks, and 5 ticks on a hook pattern to the downside. As we continue on into the day, I want you to see here what happened here at around 2 o'clock. After the 2 o'clock time frame, we had a nice hook pattern set up. 4 ticks, 8 ticks, and 18 ticks to the downside if you're able to hold on for that third contract all the way down to the final target area. Let's look at the criteria for that. Hook pattern is target 1 is generally 4 ticks. It's got a 70% accuracy. Target 2 is a 50%, 60% accuracy. And T3 is 100% of the move with a 50% accuracy. So again, you capture some profits, and then if you want to let it run, if you could weather this little pullback in through here, you were able to capture some nice profits all the way down to our target area. This was drawn way before the completion of this pattern. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark trading manuals, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you. Have a great evening, and we'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.